Hello everybody, welcome to data visualization using Python matplotlib, the beginner's guide. We're going to be using Jupyter Notebook to write our code. Start by typing out Jupyter Notebook on your browser, click on Try Jupyter, and then try Classic Notebook. After the page loads, we want to create a new Python file. You can do this by clicking on File, New Notebook, and then Python 3. Let's start by writing some basic Python code and then running it. So first, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Matplotlib is basically a plotting library for Python programming language. To plot some values, we're going to use the plt.plot function. Inside of the parentheses, you want to type in, inside of square brackets, the values 1, 2, 3, and 4. To show what we have plotted, we will use plt.show with empty parentheses. Then click Run to run the code. So let's start by analyzing what we have plotted. The reason why the graph looks like this is because matplotlib takes the single array that you have given and assumes that it is a series of data points for the y-axis. So it automatically generates what needs to be put in the x-axis. But we're going to be defining that in the next few videos. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to check out my other videos as well in this series.